Welcome, welcome. It's a Thursday afternoon, evening, even. I'm in my new home, have a new cut. It's a lot of things going on that I need to talk about, but I don't really have time. Right now, I'm going through these bins. This is like my business stuff. I needed to find paper, and I found it by the skin of my teeth. The color transfer paper, and I needed the dark one specifically because it doesn't fade when you wash it. I found the paper, but now it just kind of made me nostalgic. I want to see what all I brung in here. It's making me super sad and happy at the same time because it's just so many memories and stuff. Oh, this is from flea market, so I went to a pop-up shop. Look at my sunshine letters. My baby letters. I had these letters on his wall for his nursery. I just want to keep them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Where are they? I don't know what I'm going to do with these. Maybe I can repaint them and revamp them and put them on his wall now for his room. We just moved in here only like a month ago, so I'm really just trying to get settled and like slowly but surely like do decor. My spades cards, I want to play with these so bad. I haven't played with these in a while. This is black owned company. They sold spades cards. I was obsessed with like branding and just trying to have you remember my company, so I ordered a bunch of chapsticks and then like I put my logo on them. My foot pedals. What? Why are you calling me like that? You stuck in your room? He's stuck in his room. My papers with all my designs in it. My large anomaly paper. My logos. Like, I had like a real business. Like, that's just crazy to me. But I want to get back to it, but I'm not sure what the structure of it I want it to be. So I'm really just kind of like taking my time. That's like my theme of like this new era of my life. My new home, my new job, my new path, getting more structure, new hair. I'm about to have a new body. But long story short, my cord was not in there. I'm on my stove cutting up some cabbage. Cabbage has low-key been like my favorite lately. Like, I don't know when I do cook because I have not been cooking. Alright, so I'm trying to organize my life. This is not usually how this looks, but it's gotten really chaotic and out of control. I'm really just trying to get back on track in my head. And the only way that I can do that if the things around me, like I know that when things are not right in my head, it manifests itself in chaos in my day-to-day life. And like usually I'm very organized, but when my brain starts going, I completely lose it all. It takes all of my energy to be organized. I've always had that issue because I just wasn't raised that way. It literally takes from my toenails all the way to the roots of my head for me to be organized, be on time, be tidy, all those types of things, because that's me as an adult wanting to be that way and it not being natural for me. So really just trying to see what doesn't belong in here and then moving things around to where they're supposed to go. Alright, so I'm about to just take this stuff out of here and put it in my sunroom and then switch my sunroom to here. Abuela is my grandma. She is my mother's mother. Abuela means grandma in Spanish. That's Abuela.
I just ordered Oatly mint chocolate chip ice cream, Go Puff. It's honestly not that. It's not that different from regular ice cream.
I ordered daring chicken pieces. I'm trying it for the first time. That's what it looks like. This is the grilled chicken one. It smelled like grilled chicken. It looked like grilled chicken. How the fuck? Look at this. This look just like chicken. Let me turn around for the light. This look just like. Let me put my phone down. Like if you look at how this come apart, like this little piece, it looks just like chicken. What? I can do a lot with this. This is weird. I had to make sure it wasn't no chicken in here. These packages is really small, but it is a good amount in here. I don't know what I thought this was going to taste like, but I've been dying to try it. Walmart didn't have it. It was like on GoPuff, and they had it. So I was like, I'm going to try it. I don't know if I like this because, like, taste-wise, it's not nasty. But it's confusing because, like, I only stopped eating chicken probably, like, a couple weeks ago. And then even on top of that, like, I did slip up and have chicken maybe, like, 2 weeks ago. This tastes too much like chicken. I don't know if that's, like, possible because I'm sure that's the purpose of it, but it tastes way too much like chicken. Like, I don't know. That kind of threw me off. But it was good for sure. It's just weird. It's very weird. I want to eat my ice cream though. The ice cream bomb.
Baby, we can talk about it. Girl, let's talk